Gardening chores can be hazardous, especially when digging, cutting or mowing. What you need: protect your eyes from flying debris, wood chips, contaminants and dust. Use goggles or a full face mask when using a weed eater or chainsaw. Prevent breathing in dust or fumes with a dust mask. Protect your hearing from loud gardening equipment with earplugs or earmuffs. Protect your head from flying debris or falling branches with a hard hat. Protect your hands from splinters and cuts, as well as adding grip with a pair of gloves, especially in wet conditions. Protect your feet and lower legs, as well as providing grip in slippery conditions, using a pair of gumboots. It's important to wear the correct PPE to protect yourself against hazards you might encounter while working. Get to Builders for all your personal protective equipment, or shop online at builders.co.za. Click and collect, or have it delivered to your door. Get to Builders. Get it done.